Access 2013 Requirements and Setup. Before you even install Access 2013 on your computer, make sure your system has the minimum requirements needed. 500 MHz or higher processor. Operating system, Windows XP with Service Pack 3, Windows Vista with Service Pack 1, Windows Server 2003 R2, Windows Server 2008 or Windows 7 or later. 2 GB of available hard disk space. A monitor that supports 1024 by 768 or higher resolution. 256 MB of RAM or higher. Most of the computers manufactured in the last few years should meet these requirements. If you're not sure, you can ask somebody who knows your computer. Some additional requirements that may be needed: internet access for some features. Windows Server 2003 connectivity for some other features. Graphics hardware acceleration requires DirectX 9.0C compatible graphics card, with drivers dated 2004 or later. This is optional. You only need it for some parts of the graphics acceleration. Microsoft .NET Framework 3.5 is required for integration with business connectivity services. In the next few slides, you'll find tables with information that apply to Microsoft Access 2013 specifications. Don't worry if you don't understand a lot of this at the moment. It will make more sense as we go through the course. And as we mentioned earlier, you can use this as a reference to come back to later in the course. This table shows some general database specifications, such as the total size for an Access database, number of objects, number of modules, characters in a name, characters in a password, username or group name, and the number of concurrent users. This table shows some table specifications, so restrictions that apply to your tables that you create them, such as lengths of fields and table names. This table shows some query specifications, such as the number of relationships on a table, number of tables in a query, number of joins and fields in a query. This table shows some specifications for forms and reports, such as characters in labels or text boxes, width and height of some areas, and the number of nested forms and reports. This table shows the specifications for macros that you create, which are like little bits of code. It shows the number of actions in a macro, characters in a condition, comment, or an action argument.